Hey guys, I had a question on homework section 3B, problem number 4. And this is the one that it gave me. Now you have to be careful to pay attention that your numbers are, whether your numbers are the same or different than mine. Mine gave me that find the savings plan balance after 4 years with an APR of 4% and a monthly payments of $250. Okay, so what you're going to do to work a problem out like this is you're going to go to your formula sheet, which is on Canvas, and you're going to use the savings plan formula. All right, this is the formula that I'm going to use. And what I've done is I went ahead and I have a document where I wrote out this problem so that you can just sort of see what I did. So here is the formula that I started with, the savings plan formula that's on your formula sheet. I put the years, the number of years is 4. N is 12. The N stands for how many times you're making payments, or if you're compounding interest, how many times per year you're going to compound it. So monthly payments, your N is going to be 12. The payment was $250 and the APR, or the annual percentage rate, is 0.04, the 4%. And you're looking for the amount in the account or the savings plan balance. So you'll see what I've done here is I put in the $250 for the payment. Then this formula is pretty complicated, so when you're typing this in your calculator, you need to be really careful. So go ahead and use your parentheses. You're going to have to open up 2 sets of parentheses on your calculator. So you'll do 250 times, open up a set of parentheses, open up another set of parentheses, 1 plus, then the APR is 0.04 divided by N, which is 12. Close your set of parentheses, raise it to the power of N times Y. So the N is 12 and the number of years is 4. Close your parentheses there and subtract 1. Close your parentheses. That whole thing divided by parentheses 0.04 divided by 12, your APR divided by your N. And when you type this in, if you type this in correctly, you're going to get the amount in the account is going to be $12,989.90. Okay, so let's look, 12,000. And that's where I got this answer here. Okay, that's the account balance. Now, if you'll notice, you can use Microsoft Excel. Especially if you're having trouble with your calculator, you can use Microsoft Excel. And what you'll use is you'll use the function, the future value function. And anytime you're using one of these formulas in Excel, and I'll show you how to do it, you're going to type in an equals and then FV, okay? And then it's going to ask you, you're going to open up a set of parentheses. It's going to ask you for the interest rate per period, okay? So it's 4%, but we're going to divide that by 12 because we're making 12 payments per year. So the interest rate is split by 12. So the interest rate is 0.04 divided by 12. The number of periods is 12 times 4, 12 months times 4 years. So you're going to be paying on this for 48 months. The payment is $250, and then the brackets here stands for present value, and that's 0. Okay, so you have 0 in the account. Now type, I usually just you don't even have to put anything for type. It has to do with when you make the payment. Close your parentheses, and Excel will give you this answer immediately. And let me show you that so you can see that, because you may end up wanting to use Excel. So open up Microsoft Excel, and it doesn't matter which, you can pick any cell, it doesn't matter, but pick a cell and you're going to type equals. You have to put equals FV, and that's future value. And then you're going to open up a set of parentheses, and it'll tell you here what you're typing in. So remember the interest rate for this problem, it was 0.04, it was 4%, but we have to divide it by 12. And then the number of periods was 4 years, so it's 12 months times 4 years. Now you can type in 48, that's fine. Comma, the payment was $250 and the present value in the account is 0, and we can just leave type blank, close parentheses, hit equals, and Microsoft Excel will give you the exact answer. I think that's all of that problem, and I hope this helps you. It is. I hope this helps you. Either you can use your calculator and use the formula, or you can use Microsoft Excel to find the savings plan balance.